Hi all, this is Asha from TheLemonGinger. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're all having a great week. Today our recipe is Palak Paneer. So as we know, Palak is spinach and Paneer is Indian cottage cheese. So with this we are making a delicious, creamy, healthy and a yummy Indian curry recipe. If you're here in this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to share as well. So let's see how Palak Paneer is made. Place a kadai on a medium flame and pour 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So once the oil is warm, I'm adding 3 green chilies. Along with the green chilies goes the cashew nuts and the almonds, around 10 cashew nuts and 8 almonds. And I'm adding the spinach now, around 450 grams of spinach. I have roughly chopped it. Salt to taste. Now stirring it. I'm stirring it for around 2 to 3 minutes, just until the spinach has shrunk its size, as we don't want to lose that beautiful green color and the nutrients of the spinach. Do not stir it for more than 2 or 3 minutes. Now the palak is ready. We'll switch off the stove and keep it to cool down. After that, move to the blender. Move the spinach and the almonds, everything into the blender, and blend it well into a smooth, fine paste. Now you can see a fine, smooth paste of palak. Now place the kadai again on a medium flame, and I'm pouring 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 green cardamoms, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, and 6 cloves. Just stirring it for a couple of seconds. And there goes onions. I have finely chopped 2 medium-sized onions. Stir it until it turns translucent. Now it's time to add the ginger garlic paste, around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir it until that raw smell of the ginger and the garlic fades away. Now I'm adding 1 tomato, medium-sized one. Stir it until the tomatoes are mashed up well. Add a little salt in between and keep stirring. To it I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it for around a minute. Now it's time for us to add the blended spinach. I'm slowly pouring it into the kadai. Pour around a quarter to half a cup of water into the blender and wash off whatever is there left in the blender and pour it into the kadai and stir it. Keep stirring for around 2 minutes, and then we'll add the paneer. I have taken here 250 grams of paneer. I have cut it into medium-sized pieces and I'm mixing it into the palak. Slowly mix it without breaking the paneer and let it slowly boil. So once the gravy is boiled, you can switch off the stove And the delicious, yummy and creamy palak paneer is ready. As you saw, I haven't used any cream or anything as we see in other recipes. It's so delicious and healthy. As you saw, it is just an easy recipe and it is a perfect fit for a busy weekday dinner. It will just take hardly around 20 minutes to get this yummy recipe on table. You can shred a piece of paneer on top of it. It will add its beauty. And it's good to have some small shredded piece of paneer here and there, so it's yummy as well. So if you like the video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe and wish you all a very happy weekend. Bye bye.